Hello friends, how are you? So welcome to my channel IG Tech Team. So in this video, we will solve some Python errors. After converting your Python file to application file, you may get error. You may get fail to execute script. You may also get maximum recursion depth exceeded while calling a Python object, or your application take too much time to open after conversion. So we will solve these three errors. If you are facing such type of errors, then this video is for you. So let's get started. I have made one project that includes audio file, image and dataset. So in first step, I have also mentioned in my previous video that you have to check your Python file, because many users use Jupyter Notebook to code a Python language, and the extension of Jupyter Notebook is .ipynb. So you need to convert that .ipynb file into .py file, and then only you are capable to convert your .py means Python file into application file. So first check your Python file from command prompt or any other editor. You can use PowerShell also, and to open PowerShell you have to press shift and right click of your mouse. You can share open PowerShell windows here, or you can simply open command prompt. You can type cmd here to open command prompt in the same location. And don't open command prompt from anywhere. You have to open command prompt in the particular folder. You can see here I have stored my all files in this folder, so I am inside this folder. Suppose if you open command prompt from anywhere, you can see here now you are inside this folder. We have to open command prompt in our particular folder. So we can directly open command prompt by writing cmd here, or we can copy this link, Ctrl C, and then we can write cd Ctrl B. cd means change directory, and then we can click enter. Now you can see here we are inside particular folder, so this is now same. And then you can type Python and your Python file name. In my case this is project.py, so I can type project.py. This is not my application file, but this is my Python file. First of all, I have to make sure that my Python file is correct. Okay, this is my project. Now you can see here I have image also, dataset also, or audio file also. If I click image, load image, my image is loaded successfully. And if I click preview database, you can see here my database is also loaded successfully. And if I click on this audio,
but your audio is also working perfectly.
so this is also fine. Now I can easily convert this Python file into .exe file or application file. And for this I have to first install PyInstaller, and then I can write PyInstaller one file and then my Python file name. In my case this is project.py. But I may get such error like fail to execute script or maximum recursion depth exceeded error. And guys, I have provided 3 solutions to solve your fail to execute script error. And to watch that video, I will give that video link in description. Also, you can click in I button above. So first you have to watch this video, and you can come back to this video to continue further. It may take little bit time, so let me skip this process. You can see here it returned me one error, maximum recursion depth exceeded while calling a Python object. Or if your file gets successfully converted, then if you open that file, maybe you get fail to execute script error. So how to solve this? I hope you have watched my previous video. Now let's continue further. Again, let me open my command prompt. Now I have to install pip install autopy 2exe. So install this package and then open this package by simply writing autopy 2exe and then simply click enter. It will open autopy 2exe application, and then you have to select your file. So this is my Python file. I have to select this and then I can also choose one directory or I can also choose one file. First of all, watch this video completely. I will first select one file and convert my file, and then later I will select one directory to show you the difference between one file and one directory. So in this time, let me select one file, and here also let me select console based. Okay, this application also use PyInstaller, but this solves my error, and I hope this application solves your error too. So let me click on convert.py to .exe. Now it takes too much time, so let me skip this process. Okay, you can see here building exe from this completed successfully. My file is successfully get converted. Now my application file is inside this output folder, and let me move this application file to my previous folder because this project or this application depend on my image, database and audio. Now let me open this project. So it display console window because I have selected to display console window. You can see here it takes too much time to open my application. So how to make my application fast to open? So let me wait how much time it will take. Okay, after some minute it opened my file successfully, but it takes too much time. I have to solve this. Now if I click load image, okay, my image gets successfully loaded. I can close this, and if I click preview database, okay, it will successfully loaded my database. And if I click this audio,
But your audio is also working perfectly.
so my audio file is successfully working. Now I have to increase my speed of application startup. So for this, let me delete this all file, and let me again open my command prompt, and again let me open my AutoPy to exe. Let me choose my file again, and this time I have to select one directory, and in console window let me select window, based hide the console. So in command also it writes one directory, and now let me click on convert.py to .exe. Now this may also take little bit time, so let me skip this process. So you can see here my file gets successfully converted into application file. Now let me open my project, and let me open my output folder, and then project. So you can see here there are so many directory because I have selected one directory, and now I have to source my application file. So this is my application file, project.application file. Now let me open this project. It doesn't take too much time to open. Now if I click this load image button, it will display nothing. My application file is dependent on image, database and audio. So I have to bring my image, database and audio in this folder. So let me do this. So let me move this file to my previous folder. Okay, now let me again open my project. This time when I click load image button, okay, my image gets successfully loaded, and if I click on this preview database, my database is also successfully loaded. And now if I click this audio,
But your audio is also working perfectly.
okay, all are working fine. So it solved my error, and I hope this video will help you also. And if you have still problem, please do comment. I will be happy to help you further. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel IG Tech Team, and guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.